I've eaten all kinds of cheesecake, but the cheesecake that left the biggest impression on me was the burnt cheesecake. Not only can you get that creamy, delicious taste of regular cheesecake, that burnt exterior crust really brings so much distinctive and unique flavor to it. Like, it really takes that cheesecake up a notch. Alright, the first thing we need to do is to weigh 400 grams of cream cheese and then add 80 grams of sugar. It's best to let the cream cheese soften at room temperature to facilitate an easier procedure. Mix it thoroughly with either a spatula or a mixer. Make sure the sugar are fully dissolved. Take 2 eggs, add it one at a time while beating it. Add 245 grams of cream, half teaspoon of vanilla essence. Over here you can add 1/4 teaspoon of salt if you like. If you prefer a denser cheesecake, simply reduce the amount of cream. Lastly, add 25 grams of plain flour. Mix till well combined with no lumps. The whole prep will take you less than 10 minutes. That's how easy it is. I've used an 8-inch pan. Just make sure there's some allowance in the height as the cheesecake will rise quite a lot while baking. Bake it for 35 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius. If the crust is not dark enough by the 25th minute, increase the heat. The biggest downside here is the waiting time, as you will need to bake it for 35 minutes and let it chill in the fridge overnight. But the patience is worth it. Trust me on this. You can never beat the convenience of just going to a store and buying yourself a cheesecake, but the satisfaction of baking your own cake, it's all worth it, for real. What? Damn son, how about that? See, this is the satisfaction that I'm talking about. Finally, let it chill in the fridge and savor that cheesecake once it's done.